लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गधामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्धविभवब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियाम्. Lakshmim Ksheerasamudrarajatanayam is a compound word. Lakshmi ends in Anuswara followed by Ksha, which begins with Ka. It's a Sanyukta Akshar which has Ka and Sha together. So it becomes Lakshmi Ksheerasamudrarajatanayam. Anuswara changes to Nga, which is the nasal of Kavarga. Srirangadhameshwari is a compound word. Dha is Mahapranaha. Dasi Bhuta Samasta Deva Vanitam is a compound word. Bhuta Bhas Mahapranaha. Loka Eka Deepa Ankuram Lokaika Deepa Ankuram is a compound word. Now Dasi Bhuta Samasta Deva Vanitam ends in Anuswara followed by La, so it becomes Dasi Bhuta Samasta Deva Vanitam Lokaika Deepa Ankuram. Shrimat, the T changes to N because of Sandhi. Manda Kataksha Labdha Dhas Mahapranaha Vibhava Bha Mahapranaha Brahma Indra Brahmendra Gangadharam Dha is Mahapranaha Shriman Mandakataksha Labdha Vibhava Brahmendra Gangadharam is a compound word. Tvam Trailokya Kutumbinim is a compound word. Tvam ends in Anuswara followed by T, so it becomes Tvam Trailokya Kutumbinim because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to N, which is the nasal of Tavarga. Sarasijam is a compound word. Vande. Sarasijam ends in Anuswara followed by Va, so it becomes Sarasijam Vande. Mukunda Priyam is a compound word. Lakshmim Ksheerasamudrarajatanayam Srirangadhameshwarim Dasibhuta Samasta Deva Vanitam Lokaika Deepankuram Shrimanmandakatakshalabdha Vibhava Brahmendra Gangadharam Tvam Trailokya Kutumbinim Sarasijam Vande Mukundapriyam. Matarnamami Kavale Kamalayatakshi Shri Vishnuhrit Kamalavasini Vishwamataha Kshirodaje Kamala Komala Garbha Gauri Lakshmi Prasida Satatan Namatam Sharanye. Mataha, the Visarga changes to Repha. Namami, Matarnamami because of Sandhi. Kamale Kamala Ayata, Kamalayata Akshi. Kamalayata is a compound word. Please note the E in the end is short. Shri Vishnu Hrit Kamala Vasini. Shri Vishnu Hrit Kamala Vasini is a compound word. Again, the end, E in the end is short. Vishwamataha is a compound word. Kshira Udaje, Kshirodaje is a compound word. Kamala Komala Garbha Gauri is a compound word. Garbha Bhas Mahapranaha. The E in the end is short again. Lakshmi, again the E in the end is short. Prasida Satatam Namatam. Satatan Namatam because of Sandhi. The Anuswara of Satatam changes to N. Sharanye. Matarnamami Kamale Kamalayatakshi Shri Vishnuhrit Kamalavasini Vishwamataha Kshirodaje Kamala Komala Garbha Gauri Lakshmi Prasida Satatan Namatam Sharanye.